This is my first official video, so tell me how much I suck and what you want to see or not see or never see me again, you know. Oh, I gotta get gas. Look at that. I hit 80 miles an hour and I gotta get gas. You guys can come to the gas station with me if you want. It's always fun. That's Wanker's Corner. There's bike meets there once in a while. Let's see. Let's take the twistier roads and hope they're not backed up. Stay there. What are you doing? Oh, no, come on, man. Where's the love? Where is the love? Damn. You don't want to kill me. Not today, anyway. I saw you coming, though. I'm hip to your game, woman. Minivan ahead. Oh, hey. Going to church. Is this another Focus wagon? What's our luck today? This one has less letters on it. It's missing some X, Y, Z's. Hey, buddy. I think he was eyeballing me for a minute. You probably heard about the Panigale, too. They all know each other around here, man. It's a conspiracy. Probably setting up spike strips down the road. Excuse me. Maybe I'll get gas another day. Tomorrow. So I'm closer to home than the gas station, and I'm hungry. 6:30. Man's gotta eat. But I'm gonna do a walk around of the bike, show you everything I've installed, tell you the brands, link it to you, so you don't have to search around if you want. And now I'm probably going to do a video on all of our other cars just for fun. And you'll see those in my driveway as I pull up, of course, if you didn't see them on the way out. And we're going to change some cars around soon, so now would be a good time to video those before we get rid of them and get new ones. really? I like it. A little pull in a 30-mile-an-hour zone. I like it. Get some sleep tonight. I've been hooked on a show called The Deuce. Now, it's not for kids, but man, it's been great. I just started season 2. James Franco, but it's on HBO, I think. Check it out if you feel like binging something, but it is not something you want your kids walking into you watching, because there is some birth of adult film industry stuff in the series. But James Franco is the man. So, yeah. And he's great in it. And he's in it twice. You'll know what I'm saying. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's a fancy fire station. I don't know about you guys, but we've been getting a lot of fancy fire stations lately. It's kind of amazing that our tax dollars can be stretched so thin. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I gave him a nice wave because he looked like a hell of a nice guy. But yeah, our tax dollars, you know, we can't afford to pay teachers what they deserve, or policemen, or even firemen. But damn, we're building some nice buildings. And I'm not talking just fire stations, but municipal buildings in general. Oh, I ought to drive you guys by the West Linn Police Department here. Holy cow. You will be straight tripping. But, I don't know. I feel like if we are in such a crisis and we need to pay everybody more, and we need to fund our schools and fund our roads and things like that better, why are we building such fancy buildings? I know when I'm in a budget crisis, I don't build a fancy house. But yeah, deficits, man. The name of the game. Spend more than you take in, and then tax more. I am not trying to be political. Just trying to save some money. Whew. Did I get a little rev from that Mustang or what? Or is that just my imagination? Oh shit, we got a bum over there. Need some gas. Brought a gas can and a cardboard sign. Scammers. Man, I'm tired of that shit. Please tell the truth. Got a gas can out. Where's your car at? Yeah. Why are you there every single day? How'd you get back and forth? Where are you sleeping? Oh no, I'm just gonna lie and say I need some gas money when I really want beer money or crack money, or just your fucking money because I don't want to work for a living. Say what you really need. That way the people that really need help can get help, and the others can piss off. Especially like the ones where the family is sitting out there with all their little kids. Woo! Makes me want to beat them down and take their kids somewhere. Find a new home. Like seriously, you're going to bring your little kids out there? Oh, there was a bolt in the road. Don't hit the bolt. They roll, you roll. Oh, dog alert. Don't scare the dog. Dude alert, don't scare the dude. Don't scrape the peg. Oh, what do we got there? Hello, buddy. Oh, these hills kill your wrists here, man. And the engine braking, I got it set down, but it still brakes like a mofo. It's a nice thing about this. One day I'll show you it all, but you can set your wheelie control, your rear tire slip out, kick out, engine braking, all kinds of crap. Another doggy. Yeah, so here's our cars. Well, one's in the garage, but we'll do the X5 walk around, tell you about that one. The Range Rover, the Z01 here, 1LE. I'll even do the F350 because you know what? Dualies are badass, and that one's the limited.